In this video we will learn about how to add user meta pro fields on WooCommerce form. At first, go to User Meta, Add-ons, and activate WooCommerce integration from menu by turning on the respective boxes switch. Right in the bottom of the box, you can see Options button. Here you can set up all settings related to WooCommerce integration to User Meta Pro. Before configuring the options, let me create some shared fields that I want to put into the WooCommerce form. Then again go back to the WooCommerce integrations option. As I want to configure the checkout form, so click the WC Checkout tab. Here, shared fields can be set which will be added to the WooCommerce checkout form. Fields can be included in 3 different positions: after customer details, before shipping fields and before order review with the respective options. Add your fields according to your preference and configure your checkout form. After that, click Save Changes. Now from your website, place an order and then check your checkout form. You can see that your added User Meta Pro fields appeared there. Fill all the required fields and place your order. You can also find your added fields in Order Preview. From the dashboard, go to WooCommerce Orders. Click the Preview option. Down there, you can find your added fields in the Extra Data section. This way you can configure your WooCommerce checkout form. Thank you for watching.